Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to turn on restricted mode on YouTube app. Open YouTube app on your device. Log into your YouTube account if you are not already logged in. Tap on your profile picture at the bottom right corner of the page. Now tap the gear icon at the top right corner of the page. In the settings page, tap on General Settings. Scroll down to bottom of the page. As you can see, restricted mode is turned off. To turn it on, just toggle the button next to it. That's it, restricted mode is turned on. This is how you can turn on restricted mode on YouTube app. Thank you for watching.